How to lock a view in Airtable. Hi guys, welcome to another Airtable tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can lock a view in Airtable. If you are wondering if this is possible, just watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to do so. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Alright. So once you're logged in, this is how the Airtables page looks like. Once you're on this page, you can see a search bar by the top part of the screen where you can search out your workspace, and then you can see other options as well. So the next step is to select the base or the workspace that you would like to lock. Once you've selected it, you'll be brought to the page where you can edit your workspace. And then once you're on this page, you can go ahead and close the welcome address. And then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see different options like the grid view, grid, calendar, etc. Then once you can see all of this, to lock this view, all you need to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a navigation bar. In this bar, you can see the options like views, grid view, hide fields, filter, group, sort, color, etc. So you just go ahead and click on grid view. Once you click on grid view, you'll see a box, and in this box you'll see options like duplicate view, review, rename view, edit view, or description, print view, etc. So you can just go ahead and click on collaborative view. Now once you click on collaborative view, another box will be displayed towards the right side, displaying three options such as collaborative view, personal view, locked view. You just click on locked view, and then that box will be displayed, showcasing a write-up saying that locking this view will prevent anyone from editing the view configuration, etc. And then you have to explain why you're locking this view, or it's optional though, you don't have to do that. And then click on lock view, and then just like that, the view would be locked. Alright, as you can see, a padlock is there already. So this is how you can lock view on Airtable. Very quick and easy. Thanks for watching.